Want to invest in the next big stock before it hits the market? Today, I will show you how to subscribe to an IPO by using the Moomoo app in just a few minutes. If you're new here, hi, my name is Vincent Meow. Do hit the subscribe button if you want to see more personal growth and personal finance content. Now, let's get right into that. If you don't have the Moomoo app yet, you will need to download it from the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store and sign up for an account. Make sure to verify your identity and also fund in your account so you are ready to invest. If you already have an account, congratulations, you are actually one step closer. But if you don't, there will be a link down below and you can just click onto that to download the Moomoo app. Next, you will need to find the IPO. And to do that, you can go into the app and then down there will be the accounts. Click into that and you'll see the IPO section. Click into the IPO and you'll see the list of IPOs to choose from. There will be a list of upcoming companies with their details and also their subscription deadlines. And if you want to know more about the company, you can just scroll down and there will be a company profile and the prospects. You can click into that and read through all of it before you make your decision to subscribe. To subscribe, simply tap on the IPO that you want, enter the number of shares that you wish to apply, and hit confirm. Moomoo will instantly deduct the amount from your account. Before you subscribe to an IPO, you will need to have an IPO account. And for me, it took less than 1 business days. If you want to subscribe to any upcoming listing company, they usually would have a minimum share, and one slot is usually around 100 shares. After subscribing, you can track your application status under the IPO section. If your shares are allocated, it will automatically be shown in your portfolio on its listing day. And here, I'll take an example of a recent IPO that I just subscribed, which is Denkil. So, I have requested 3,600 shares, and then on the allotment day, I actually been given 2,000 shares for me. And I can start trading on its listing day as per any other stocks in the stock markets. I would say there's a lot of IPO nowadays, and not all of them are hidden gems, or they call it unicorn. And for me, this one is still in like the early stages, so I'm just seeing how far I can go with these IPOs, and that's it. Now you know how to subscribe to IPOs using the Moomoo app itself. If you're waiting for a very specific company to go IPO, don't just let your money sit there in the account. Try putting it into the Moomoo's Cash Plus feature. At least it will generate you daily interest while you wait. And if you guys want to know more about the Moomoo's Cash Plus feature, there will be a link or a video up here of me explaining what is it about. If you think this video helps you, or you think it might help one of your friends, do help me hit that like, share, and subscribe button for more personal growth and personal finance content. Until my next video, ciao.